Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 12S Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this smartphone. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have. I have no. So then just using your old toothbrush, so never use metal objects to clean the connector on your Xiaomi 12S Ultra device, because metal objects can just damage your USB charging port, and in this way you can damage your smartphone. So use old toothbrush, and using the old toothbrush just insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.